salt?
Yes, we need salt.
You closed our mailbox, right?
Yes, I did last night. Well, nothing yet, folks.
Well, it's a good thing we don't have to go anywhere.
We're going somewhere right now.
Honey. You know what I mean?
I'm going to start running and screaming through the stores. Help! Help!
I need help.
I need a shovel. I need birdseed.
I need someone to help me count these
And
snowflakes.
cat litter.
Help me count the snowflakes. It ain't gonna snow.
That's what they said in 78. We're only getting 6 inches. That's what they said. We got 2 feet.
Greg said, we'll go if it's not snowing in the morning. About 6 o'clock, it wasn't snowing. By the time we got to New Haven, the snowflakes were this big. I mean,
wow.
That's how hard it was snowing. Needless to say, we didn't make it.
Oh.
I went to make a phone call. We were somewhere in New York, near Harlem.
Near Harlem?
Yeah. And,
Get that far?
yeah. I said, well, let me call the base. I get out of Craig's truck. The snow's up to my knees as I'm going up to a phone booth. I called from the phone booth. It was that high, the snow.
Up to your knees?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I call that base. There's a recording. The base is closed. That's when we turned around.
You should have checked the weather from coming up the coast.
Honey,
Surprised you made it all the way to New York.
How old do you think we were?
Probably 24.
Well, figure it out. Yeah, I was 25. Craig was only about 20. Yeah, Craig, let's go. 2-wheel drive pickup truck. Oh, there's a snowblower. Look, they left it outside for somebody if they want it.
Oh, isn't that
Look,
nice?
it's got a cover over it.
Oh, that's so nice.
That's a 4-wheel drive. Oh, it's got like tracks on it like a Jeep. I mean, a tank. You should stop by Jude's house and say, hey, just came